So I just discovered the fastest way of getting your watch hours. This method can help you get at least 300 watch hours in a day. Just look at something here. So I decided to try this method on this channel, on this my channel. So just look at when I posted this video. I posted this video just Sunday. That's on the 16th August. Sunday 16th August. And just look at the time I posted this video, 2 o'clock p.m. Do you get it? 2 o'clock p.m. And just look at something. So by 3 o'clock, the video have generated over 39.4 watch hours just in an hour. Just look at something here. By 4 o'clock, it have already generated almost 100 watch hours. Do you get it? And just a day, it have generated over 275 watt hours in just a day. So in order to get started, you just need two things. First, you need a VPN, and second, you need your Google Chrome or the Chrome app. Do you get it? Okay, so let me give you a question. And the normal for you to get your 4,000 watch hours is you to post videos consistently. Do you get it? It's for you to post video consistently so that YouTube will notice you and recommend your video. That's like the normal way you can get your 4,000 watch hours. But this is a trick that I have just discovered. Do you get it? And this actually works. Do you get it? So let's get started. First, you need your Google Chrome, and second, you need your VPN. Let's start by downloading our VPN first. Do you get it? So let's go to our Play Store. Or yeah, let's go to our Play Store and search for VPN. Do you get it? So here is it. You've seen that my VPN is already downloaded. It's already installed. Do you get it? So you just press on it and click on install. Then you install it. Then secondly, you go to Chrome or Google Chrome. So you go to Chrome and you search for multiple watch hour browser. Do you get it? Multiple watch hour browser. Bear this in mind. Then we search for a multiple watch hour browser. Do you get it? After after you search for your multiple watch hour browser, then you click on it. Right, are you following? Then click on it. It says free download. Then click on the download. I have already downloaded it. Okay. So after downloading it, then you click on install. Then you install it on your PC, on your mobile phone. Sorry. Do you get it? So now let's get the thing started. Now we have our VPN and we have our Google our multiple watch time our browser. Do you get it? So now we are going to combine the two. This is where the magic starts. Do you get it? Pay attention to it. And don't forget to subscribe to this channel so that you'll be getting more updates anytime I drop a video. Okay, so let's go. We have our VPN and we have our Google, our watch our browser. Do you get it? Now, the next thing we have to do is to go to our VPN. Do you get it? Is to go to our VPN. So now we go to our VPN first. And mind you, this actually works only on Android. Do you get it? This actually works only on Android. So when you come into the VPN, there is the interface. Do you get it? The location, you have to turn it to any country of your choice. Do you get it? And while doing it, if you choose let me say Spain, the next time don't choose Spain. Choose maybe Belgium or France. Do you get it? Yeah, just be changing the countries because there is a lot of countries right there. Do you get it? So let's go to the location. So I have already tried it. The first time trying it, I used Spain. So this time around, let's use France. So now you can see at the top there that it's connected. Do you get it? It's connected. Then after it is connected, then we move back to our multiple watch hour browser that we downloaded. Do you get it? Then you go to our multiple watch hour browser. And mind you, always change the location. Always change the location for every fresh video or for every fresh trial. Do you get it? So just look at the interface here. The first one it says get more views in multiple tabs. Do you get it? Your video must be longer than 1 minute. And mind you, it's watch hours that we want. So don't insert or don't input your short video. Do you get it? It's watch hours. So input your long videos that is above 1 minute played. Do you get it? And the second one says get more watch hour, more get more watch time in multiple time. Do you get it? And the third one says when the video ends, it will play again automatically. Do you get it? The third one says when the videos end, it will play again automatically. And the last one says learn more about this app. Let's assume we already know more about the app, so let's give the last one. And let's choose the second one. Let's choose the second one first. So let's go. So here is the interface. It says first you enter your link here. So you go to YouTube and click the video you want to use. Do you get it? You click the video you want to use. Then so let's go and click the video you want to use. So let's assume we are using this video. That is KNST SLCV vlog. Do you get it? So you click on the video and we click on share. Then we copy the link. Do you get it? Now we have copied the link. Then we paste the video and the link of the video here. So the first one says choose any one. It says two windows. That means your video will be playing on two different screens. And the second one says four windows. That means to be played on four different screens. The third one is six, and the last one is eight. Because we want our watch hour to go more faster, let's choose the eight windows. Do you get it? Then we go to eight, then click on go. You can see that the screen has split into eight different parts. Do you get it? Okay. So let's see if this actually works. Let's see. So guys, so let's monitor it for a little while. You can see that all the four all the four interfaces have started playing already. Do you get it? So let's wait for maybe 2 minutes and go back to our YouTube studios and check our analytics of this video. So we are going to go back and check the analysis of the video and see if it actually worked or it didn't work. Do you get it? So let's wait. With with this trick, I should have used two different phones so that whilst doing this, we'll be using the second one to monetize so that you guys won't say it I'm actually lying or something. They get it. Huh. But because I only have one phone, that's why I'm using only one phone. So let's monetize. Let it play for a little while. You can see you can even see that the first two videos have paused. It might be the network. Do you get it? Huh. So concerning your network, you should go a little lower. You shouldn't go the 8. If you believe you have a strong network, then you can choose the 8 or the 6. They get it. But if you know your network is not that much strong, then don't choose the 8 or the 6. Just choose 4 or 2. They get it. So now let's move to our YouTube studio and check our analytics of this very video. If it's actually working or not. You get it. The trick is actually working. It's because I didn't stay long at this play. That's why it was only 2 views. But if I should have stayed long, you are going to see a huge difference. It actually works. Like it works a lot. So now let's go back and try the second one. The second one says when a video ends, it will play again automatically. So let's try this one too. You get it? We have already tried the first one. Let's try this one. So this one we are going to choose the 8 windows so that while the video are playing, we are going to get more engagement compared to the 4 videos. Do you get it? Huh. So let's paste our YouTube link here first. Then let's choose 8. Then we go to go. Then let's click on 50 seconds. Or 50 seconds is let's click on let me let me see okay 50 let me see 1,000 seconds. Let's click on 1,000 seconds. I think 1,000 seconds is good. So we can see that the video has started playing already. The first video have popped out. Okay. Okay. So because of network issue, that's why I was avoiding to use the eight windows. Yeah. If your network is not that much strong, you're going to get a lag. Okay, I can see second video has also popped out. Due to the network issue, that's why the video is not playing consistent. Do you get it? So I prefer using the 4 for those with poor network. You can all see. You can all see. So let's go back and choose the 4. Do you get it? Okay, I can see. Okay, it's now coming. It's now coming. You can see now we have 5 different. Okay, 6. 2 more. Even with this one, you can see that it's actually lagging. It's actually lagging. So let's go back and choose maybe 6. Let's go and choose 6. Let's choose 6. It's because of the poor network. That's why the videos are lagging. So I'll urge you all to choose the number corresponding to your network. Do you get it? So let's see. Okay, okay. I can see that. Yes, 6 is very, very fast. So now let's watch this for 6 minutes. So by 7, okay. So by 7:50, then we go to our YouTube studio and check our analytics. Do you get it? And see if it have actually improved or not. Let's see. Should have used 2 phones so that I'll be checking the second one on the second phone. They get it. It's also lagging. It's also lagging. So let's go to our analytics and see if it have actually improved. If it's because of the network issues. Yeah, just look at something here. You can see that it have actually increased. You can see that it have actually increased, guys. You can see that it have actually increased, guys. So this shows you that this trick is actually good, guys. So maybe maybe you might say that it drains time and stuff, so you feel lazy to do it. You can just DM me and I'm going to do it for you. But it's on a charge, they get it. So my name is Brainstorm and this is Viral Monitex. You can follow us or you can subscribe to the channel for more updates, for more YouTube updates and stuff. See you in my next video. Have a nice day. Bye.